probably won't be. Yeah. Well, as of late, I've got some shit that I've gotta conflate. All these ideals that comes and I've got it like a clean slate. Back rooms, back of them shoes. I'ma show what it is, just what it is you choose. So how you feeling, man? You just fucking lose. Yeah, I've got some shaky hands, but I still get it up in the bands. That's what they wanna come in, but man, I made them into fans. It's like they get that shit, but then they sit up in a fence. That's what I make it, man. I'm never sitting on no fence. I'm on that shit like I've got it, my opinions. That's what they gotta rope it to it, but man, they got it like they be off the Venice. That shit is off the clinics. That they wanna see it too, but man, they got it witness. Yeah. So I be spreading that shit like it comes and it goes. It's like the bit of the soul, but then they say it's like the Holy Ghost. How you know, but then you just a fucking hoe whenever you be taking that, but then you eating out the whole like. What's the motherfucking mo, man? I'ma hold mics, that's what they saying whenever they showstopper. That's how they get that shit, but then out the locker. Motherfuckers get it, but they sit it and they drop a motherfucking bomb on that shit. Yeah, drop a fucking bomb. Like a coming and it's going fucking crazy in my brain, but then they living and it's amazing. It's like they gotta fucking map it out. They see the shit, but then they see it now. It's lapping out. How you seeing up and downwards, motherfuckers? See it now with crystal showers. How you be getting that, but then I wanna be spitting, motherfucker. I be cowards. Like coarse beer. How you see this shit, but then everybody be coming around and looking like they get up out the fucking stratosphere. Or was it the mezzo? I didn't know.